The side-to-side incline push-up is a beginner modification to the side-to-side push-up on the floor. By completing the push-up on an incline, it makes it easier. This exercise primarily targets the upper chest as well as the shoulders and triceps while also engaging the core for stability. Here's how to do it correctly. Get into a push-up position by placing your hands slightly wider than shoulder width on one side of the edge of a sturdy elevated surface such as a bench, box, or step. To make it easier, increase the height of the surface or decrease the height to make it more difficult. Lower your chest towards the edge of the surface by bending your elbows, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. As you push back up to the starting position, shift your body by placing your outside hand beside your inside hand, then shift your inside hand to the other side of the bench while keeping your feet in the same spot. Perform another push-up, then shift your body back to the original side of the bench. Continue alternating sides with each push-up while focusing on maintaining proper form and control throughout the movement. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.